So you are thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area and you're looking for a beautiful townhome in the Summerlin master plan community here in Las Vegas. Well, in this video, we're going to continue one of our other videos. We showed you 2 great townhomes. In this video, we're going to bring you that 3rd townhome that we promised you. So as we always like to say on our channel, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. Hi everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time to our channel, make sure you subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications. We would love to make sure that we can help bring you guys great information in regards to what's happening here for real estate, in regards to purchasing and selling here in the Las Vegas, the Henderson, the North Las Vegas area, and we'd love to be your source. My name is Levert Pompey Benefield, and I'm the team leader of Team Levert here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area. I was about to say Rochester, New York. How did that come up? So nonetheless, here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, I lived in Rochester more than 20 plus years ago. All of a sudden that was in my head. Nonetheless, with that being said, guys, we want to show you this 3rd townhome. We promised you this 3rd townhome in one of our last videos, and we want to make sure that we're bringing it and standing up to our word to bring you this great townhome. This property is just under $499,000 as far as its base price is concerned with. And if you were to go ahead and put in some more upgrades, because this is a new property, put in some upgrades, maybe 10%, you're looking at another $50,000. So you're probably looking at about $550,000. For some, that's a very reasonable, very manageable, very affordable kind of price point, especially for a beautiful master plan community that's highly desirable here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area. For some, that could be very expensive, but nonetheless, if this works for your budget, make sure you reach out, give us a call, give us a DM, give us a text. If that makes you guys feel better, you can text us. We'd love to hear from you, introduce you to these great properties, and help you save even more money by being able to go up there and represent you and your interests. So with that being said, guys, again, this is that 3rd beautiful property townhome. And again, this one is done by the fantastic designer from Queer Eye from the Straight Guys, Bobby Burke. Love what he does, love all the stuff he does, love his great book that he just has out as well. We're about to get some storms and some rain here. That's why I'm letting my dog enjoy the rain. So we're getting some rain here in Las Vegas. We do get water in Vegas, so we're good. So jump on the Google Maps and we'll make sure we'll show you this area specifically where these particular properties are. And jumping onto Google Maps here really quickly, just to show you exactly where these particular properties are. As we always like to point out, this is our internationally renowned Las Vegas Strip. That little red area is where the Strip is. That's where most people come here to Las Vegas for. Now, with this particular property, we again are going to be in the Summerland area, which is right over here to the west. It's going to be the west of the valley. This is predominantly the Summerland area, about over here. These particular properties are going to be right here, this Vertex area. So we're going to do a little zoom in. So from that strip area that we showed you, you're probably looking at about maybe 20, 25 minute kind of drive from that particular area. We'll do a quick zoom in, but that lets you know exactly where these properties are. Again, this is in the new area called Red Point or Red Point Square. It's just below Red Point Square. This new area here is a fantastic area of Summerland, which is one of our established, really well known. I believe that we were voted in the top 5 as far as suburbs across the nation, as far as areas that people are moving to. Now, with this particular one, this is the newest area. We have about 20 more years worth of development that's going to be happening in this new area of Summerland. So a great amount of investment is going on, and we have some of our doctor clients. They've invested in some properties there. I have a great friend that bought properties for their son, a townhome there. We are thinking about considering and purchasing a small property in that area because it's going to be under that $600,000. Again, it's probably going to be around 500 and change. So a really strong price point as far as getting into the Summerland area. But again, we're sort of sort of west and northwest of the Strip. So just about 20, 25 minutes from our internationally renowned Las Vegas Strip. So this is where we are. This drop, Vertex is there, and the Strip is right here in the middle. Enjoy this beautiful property, guys. Talk to you soon. Another beautiful townhome. So again, please reach out, give us a call, give us a DM. Don't go up there by yourselves. Again, if you go up there and you get signed up, we can't come in there and represent you. Again, the agent who's there, fantastic, great agent. They're working for the seller. They're working for the builder. We can come in, introduce you to the property, and make sure that we're working and looking out for your interest and making sure we're getting you great incentives and we're getting more money put back in your pocket by having them pay for some of your closing costs, down payments, help pay down your interest rates, all those kind of great things. Let us work for you. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.